Hey, it's your brother Yassine here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick and beginner-friendly way to make money using Instagram. But before I start the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share it if you do find it very helpful. So basically, the method that I'm going to show you in here and still up until the end, if you want to know the whole methodology about how we're going to make it work and how you can make some good money with it. We will come to this website. This website is socialtradia.com, right? Socialtradia.com is a marketplace that connects people willing to sell their Instagram accounts with people willing to buy those accounts from them, right? So what we're gonna do, what I like first about these platforms is that they have tons of categories that you can choose from. They have, you can choose, you can filter the sellers by the amount of followers that they have. That's it. So again, we won't buy the accounts, but I'm going to show you how it's going to work. So we're going to take people in here. Look, these people, let's see, this channel, Fashionable Goals, is selling the accounts for $3,700, and they have 190,000 followers, right? And you can check the prices in here. 17.1K followers, and it's being sold for $350. So basically, the more followers that they have, the better the price is going to be, the higher the price is going to be. So they're going to make more money if they can have way more followers. So you're just going to kind of be the problem solver. You're going to come to them as kind of a consultant, and then we're going to talk to them. Hey, do you know that you can grow your account if you can buy some real followers, and we're going to drive them to this platform. So look now at this platform. This is viralrace.com. And again, it's super legit. And basically, you can buy real instant followers. Look at this. For example, let's say 1,000 followers. It's 1,200. It's $12.99. 2,500 is 29. 5,000. And again, they will buy. Let's say if they just have like 10,000 more followers, the price is gonna rise in a crazy way, and they're gonna make way more than $40, for example, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to them. Let's say, I'm just gonna give you an example. We're gonna go to them, and all right, so let's take those small accounts. All right, let's pick one of them. So this one, photography art, is being sold for $100, and they have only 2,600 followers, right? That's not much, and those are the people that we're going to be targeting. You can click in here, right? Click on it, and then you can see here, you can either buy it now or you can make an offer. So we will make an offer. We put whatever price we want. You put your name, you put your email address, then you say, hey, whatever, do you know that you can sell your account, and say first, I like your photos or your content, whatever. You find a way, because you always gotta put some good comment about whatever they have, so that you can make them more open to what you have to tell them, right? Do you know that you can sell your account for way more than what you are currently listing it for? I would highly recommend that you increase your account with real followers, and to increase your selling price. Anyway, you know, I'm just something that comes up to my mind, didn't think about it, but you know, you got the point, right? And then you say, then you put, check out this link to learn more. Then say thanks. That's it. Or then, of course, like you're not a robot, then you send the whole thing, submit the offer, right? But this being said, if you want to connect with people using social Tradia, make sure you always change your messaging, because if you keep sending the exact same message, they're gonna pick up, they're gonna think that you're a bot or you spam, and they're gonna probably shut down your account, and you're not gonna get any answer back from any of these accounts. So make sure you switch, make sure you tweak your messaging just to make it real. All right, and or the second method is that you can connect with them straight on Instagram, right? You can connect with them on Instagram and talk to them right away. But it's just that the thing is that generally there would be way more easier to approach on social Tradia than on Instagram, because on Instagram, if they have a private account, generally your message is going to go to kind of, you know, if you want the spam list, we call it. So it's kind of like a request, and not everybody's going to be able to see it. So your answer, like the rate of conversions is going to be super low compared to social Tradia. But anyway, it's up to you. But the moment that we send them the message, as I showed you before, if you remember, I put on the link, and that link, we're going to grab it from here. So here we're going to go to, you want to go to affiliates. You scroll down to the bottom. Viral, by the way, the website is viralrace.com, right? Look, you can fill out the application, and the beautiful thing about this is that they have a 30-day cookie. In other words, whenever you send the link, and if that person is not purchasing today, or she's going to be purchasing in within a 30-day period, you're going to still be making money. So let's say you just send them the link today, and they think about it, then they come back the next day and go to the website without having to go through your link. You're still going to get paid for it. All right. And you're going to be making 25% of the sale of whatever amount that they have paid for. Okay, so the moment you get the link, that's the thing, that's the one that you're gonna copy, and you're gonna paste it in your messaging. So in other words, these people, so the model is that the business model is like this. These people, so for example, let's take this exact example, photography art. They are selling their accounts for $100, and they have 2,600 followers, right? If we come to them and we tell them that, hey, why aren't you selling it for way more? You can just pay the very little price to increase your number of followers. And again, they're real. That's the reason why I gave you only this Viral Race website, because there are many websites out there. They're going to give you followers, and then they're going to disappear right away. So we're going to provide them with our affiliate link. You send it to them along with the messaging that I showed you before. And the moment they pay using it, because again, who doesn't want to sell his or her account for way more than what they are listing it for? Nobody. So let's say they might just pay like $30 or $40 just to increase the followers by 5,000, but the value of their account is gonna increase by like 2 or 3-fold, right? So that's what we want to show them. And yeah, and again, even if that exact same person keeps purchasing many packages over time within that 30-day period of time, you're gonna still be making money. So the least thing that you can earn is from one sale, but if they keep purchasing way more, good for you, right? Yeah, and that's it. That's how it works. So for example, let's calculate if you just, reach out to at least like, just let's say 100 people. And again, 100 people, it's like between 3 or 4 people every single day. That's literally nothing. I mean, if you're not making money, if you have some free time, you can just drink a coffee like I'm doing right now and, just message people. You have nothing to lose. It's not going to take you much time. It's just one message and, just wait for people to answer you. Wait for people to go and purchase that thing. So for example, here, let's go to the pricing. Let's see. Those are by, followers. Okay. So look, let's say that these people, of course, like 100 or 500, they won't do anything. Even 1,000 is not going to do much, but let's say people, we have 1,000 people, right? Let's take the average. Let's say calculator. Let's say 50 people, they're going to buy the $1,000, right? The 1,000 followers for $12.99. It's $12.99 multiplied by 50. All right. That's the amount that they're going to pay, and you're making 25%. All right. Equal. So basically, from those 50 people, you're going to be making this. Say 162, right? $162. Boom. Plus, remember, it's $162. And now we have 50 people who are going to buy from 5,000 followers. That doesn't cost much. So it's $39.99. All right. Exactly. So this, you are making 25% plus 162.3. Whatever. I don't remember how much it was before. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, 3,775. That's it. $662.25 in commissions just reaching out to 3 to 4 people a day. That is crazy, guys. Like, you don't do anything. You just come in, and again, that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You just come up, and that's affiliate marketing. You just go to them and you bring them a solution. You help them out. You open their eyes, and of course, you have them make way more money than they could have done without you. And you give them your link, they go, they purchase, and you make 25%. That's the method. Guys, tell me how do you like it. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment down below the description. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell button so that you don't miss any video like this one. And until then, see you next time. Keep crushing it. As always, your brother Yassine. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.